Thank you for watching Renaissance Pop. This program is produced to monetize my son's internet presence and share how-to knowledge of many subjects. Please like our video, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Always wear ear, eye, breathing protection. And Lord, take care when you're doing this. This is 4 old horseshoes, 4 box springs cut out of the framework, an old lawnmower blade, and an old piece of twisted up wire. So we're gonna make some things. Now I'm gonna turn this into this to save time, because this is going to be the wings to the butterfly. I'm going to turn on the welder and we'll begin. The beautiful thing about this project is that it's all used material. Everything is salvaged and repurposed, and that is really important today. Here's an eye. Here's the other eye. This is his tongue. Gets all the nectar out. Turn that over there and do it again. Now we'll take and put our wings on, and I'll just get a little angle support here. Beautiful. Not beautiful. Now it's beautiful again. Well, I think what I'll do is do it this way, because that just seems like an easier way to do it. Yeehaw! Now comes the fun part, putting these little legs on. As it turns out, butterflies' legs are pretty close up to their heads. So, kind of hard to pick up these things with big old thick gloves on. Uh-oh, looks like I burnt the sides of them off. That means that I get to put them on again. Okay, here we go. Good. Good, good, good. putting the last and final leg on here. Okay, to the best of my knowledge, these guys come out like that and like that. And we'll put this baby up for some antennas, bring the legs back some. There we go. Now just throw on some beautiful pair of antennas. There we go. There it is. The butterfly. Thank you for watching. Be sure and subscribe.
Thank you.